Thank you, Madam Preshi, as Executive Director of IHRM. Thank you for dedicating us. Thank you. Waheshimiwa MCs who are here, that sharp increment of 600 million, you could imagine if that money was turned to the bursary, what it would do to our children. I don't want to say anything. It's now the time the rubber meets the road. I want to show you, as an institution, nothing will stop us from making sure that this report is implemented. We will wait and accept. Officers, I hope this report will save so much to the extent that our region, we are talking about the sensitive report, I want to see. Certificate. Ndio walikuwa wanasema Simba hakwenda shule nini. Sasa mimi nataka niseme I'm happy that so far we've got the numbers. Chairman, thank you for the good work. Members of the TC, nataka niwaombe cross safi kwamba wakati umefika, lazima tuongee, tusemezane, tuhakikishe Kisii is back on what? On track. If you need 1,000, is it 1,000? 348. If indeed that is the case, there are so many people outside there. There are many people, there are young people here who are busy on Facebook and, social media abusing me. I will give you an employment if you need to cover this, so that we can professionalize. Thank you. Thank you once more. The institutions, I know they are here, who are mandated in opening some doors where people must face the full force of the law. We will facilitate you with this report so that you can take action. Before I make my last comment, I'm told the Executive Director has something she forgot to comment on.
Your Excellency, sorry. Apart from the executive, we also did the audit for the County Assembly Board. And given that we started way before, the report is ready and preliminary, and we will be able to come back here and present the same in 2 weeks.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam. Well, see you on board. Mimi nataka nitoe shukrani zangu za dhati kwa wale wote ambao mmekuja, employees wale ambao mlikuwa mmeketi mahali pamoja, hamjaisonga hata step moja yenye job ya shule. There is light at the end of what? The time. I don't want to water down. Mtu yoyote who has been mentioned in that report, be prepared to carry your own cross. And I'm happy that you have the records, all records. I know we'll start litigation issues, but for this one, Mheshimiwa MCA tusaidiane hapa bwana. Nyinyi ndio tulijua kura pamoja. Lazima tusaidie county. Madam Chair of the board, you will help us in the implementing of this report. Otherwise, ndio tumeshtuka. Eti kuna watu wametengeneza certificate bandia za disability. Me out of 144. That is it. 107. Asante kwa kutoa report. Out of 137, 100 fake work certificate of EWD. Kwa sababu tumetusiwa sana hizi muro mkawagoza nganjire kwa neke msiki mbobe nege ntekeve n'abantu b'abanyamubitina n'abamole haleluya moja sana saba tu koloni umebatisa tikcho barema choro abantu beyemo ya na you can imagine these people were here close to 2 months. They had the head counter, they had the office at ATC. They went to some counties, they came back. Some of the people traveled from Egypt, those ones who are studying, to come and do what? In the county. Ladies who are sick in India, they have to send their passport to show that they are in India and they are being treated, to be counted. You can imagine, there is a woman who was sick in her house. She made a request for this team to go to her house to count her. That's not the secret. And it's what a he. If we do away with these ones, from 35 to 60, we will even the president. The other day, we'll make sure kwamba mko na kitu ya kuweka kwa meza tena nyingine. With those very remarks, nimepata asante, nimepata Hassan, I can drive like a king. Ikifika kila mtu atajibu mbele ya nani? Ya Mola. Asanteni. Mungu awabariki. This account, we are back. Few things will do them right. Lakini nasema kwamba pia wewe ukijua kwamba you are a ghost worker, start looking for some ticket to travel to Uganda or to some parts of this, because this one, you have costed us so much as a county. You must, and I'm happy to say, we surcharged some of these people. And those ones who helped them to do these wrong things, they must be held responsible. We will do that. Lord must. Wale wanataka tusi kwa mtandao. Sasa niko waheshimiwa, msigari, lazima tufanye kazi pamoja, tusaidie watu. Asanteni na Mungu